How and where to apply your fragrance. In this video, I will show you how and where to apply your fragrance so you will get more compliments and you will get the more performance out of your fragrance. First, you want to select your fragrance. It may be an eau de toilette or eau de parfum. What is the difference between those, you might ask? Well, the eau de toilette has less perfume, concentrated oil in it, as an eau de parfum may have 5 or 10% more concentrated oil. This does not mean that every single fragrance that's a parfum lasts longer or does different performance. It just means it has more concentrated oil. In most cases, it does last longer and it produces a darker scent, as in this Dior Sauvage. The eau de toilette is different than the eau de parfum. The parfum is a little bit darker, a little bit spicier, and it does last about 60 to 90 minutes longer. The best way to apply your fragrance is right on your neck, right below your ears on the pulse points where it's soft. Most of the time I notice, and myself included, I just spray myself here where it hits the neck. And now you put it right here on the soft points where it heats up. It's called a pulse point. It makes the fragrance perform better. And the third spot, you would go one here, and one on the back, and here too. Especially I like to wear the fragrance right after I shave. The pores are all opened up. Then I will hit my face, my pulse points, and I'll hit it 4 to 6 times. 1, 2, I'll show you. 1, 2, that's 4, 5, and right here. And then you hit it twice here on your chest. 1, 2, for more added extra oomph. You do that. So you'll hit it like 1, 2, 3, 4, one on the neck here and here, about 8 times. For something like this, I would do it 8 times. Then if you have a different type of sprayer, sometimes you have these different type of sprayers that just come out long like that. Then I would just go wave it all around like that. And I would only do it 2 to 3 times with a different type of sprayer. And then one more thing you might consider when applying your fragrance, is it very strong like this Dior Intense? It might be stronger, so you don't need to pull the trigger that much to apply your fragrance correctly. You will get a feel of it, and you will notice the reactions that's best for you. Next thing you want to do is try not to spray it on your clothes. It does make the fragrance last longer, but it's not made to be sprayed on clothes. It's made to be reacting with your skin. The next part you can also spray sometimes is on the back of your legs, and you're walking around the hallway. That creates a great scent silage and a scent trail. Scent silage is a scent trail. Then also the distance that you, if you want to spray it real close up, you'll get more of a sting. If you spray it further away, it's a little bit nicer. It gives you a more broad spectrum of a spread. Earlier I spoke about spraying fragrance right after you shave. Even if you have a beard, it works well to spray on your beard because the oils in your hair actually make the fragrance last longer. The oils in your hair make the fragrance last longer. Sometimes even if you want to put an added extra spray on it, you spray your hair just one little shot, not too much, half a squirt, just to give it that extra oomph. That's a tip. And a final tip is the best time to spray your fragrance, the very best time, is directly out of a shower after you've toweled off. And then how long do you wait before you put your clothes on? Well, if you want to put it directly on your chest once, I mean, this is if you're really going all out. You put the fragrance on right after you shower, and you can even put it on your bare chest, and that increases the performance as well. But do give it 60-90 seconds to dry before you put your shirt on the wet fragranced body. This channel is dedicated to you, the subscriber. I want to know down in the comments, how many times do you spray yourself on average every day for wear your fragrance? Comment down below. I comment right back. If you're new here, my name is Christian O. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. This channel is dedicated to you. If you want to learn about, if you want to smell better for less, talk to other fragrance lovers in the comments down below and talk about everything fragrances related, please consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to check out Best Brands Perfume, that's the name of this channel, the playlist section, where we have tons of videos organized in a nice, neat way. Top 10 list, top 10 for fall, such things like that. Even my favorite YouTube reviewers. Check out playlist today. Have a nice day.